हाय एवरीवन एंड लेट्स टेक अ ब्रेक टुडे। सो आज हम कोई भी इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस डिस्कस नहीं करने वाले, कोई भी प्रोग्रामिंग क्वेश्चन नहीं डिस्कस करने वाले, बट एक ऐसी चीज़ डिस्कस करने वाले हैं दैट इज़ प्योर नॉन टेक्निकल बट दैट इज़ आस्क्ड इन द इंटरव्यूज। सो व्हाट इज़ दैट? दैट इज़ पजल। सो पजल एंड रिडल एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि प्योरली नॉन टेक्निकल है बट स्टिल यू कैन बी वैलिडेटेड ऑन दैट बेसिस इन एन इंटरव्यू। सो आज हम पजल डिस्कस करेंगे और इसके लिए आपको मतलब कोई भी इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड से होना ज़रूरी नहीं है। सो लेट्स सी इफ़ यू कैन आंसर दैट और नॉट। So here is the puzzle. There are two gates as you can see, and there are two guards. And here we are standing here confused. So the puzzle is there are two gates, and one gate leads to heaven while the other one leads to hell. We don't know which one leads to heaven and which one leads to hell. Also, there are two guards, out of which one will always lie while the other one will always tell you the truth. So we don't know which one lies every time and which one tells us the truth every time. So also the third condition is both the guards know each other's reality well. Like the good one knows that the other guy is the bad one, and the bad one also knows that the other guy is good one, and he will always tell the truth. So they both know about each other's reality. The thing is that we have to ask only one question to any one of them. So you can either ask this left guy the any question, or this guard, and we want to go to heaven. So in just one question we need to find answer that which gate leads to heaven and which gate leads to hell. So here is the puzzle. What will be your question? What will be your one question which can give you the answer that which gate leads to hell and which one leads to heaven? So it's basically just we want to go to heaven. So if you find which one goes to heaven, you can easily get to know that yes, the other one leads to hell, and you can easily go into the right gate. So what will be your question? So I'll suggest you to pause the video and think about the solution, after which we will discuss. So here is the answer. So what question can you ask is, as you know that lying is a sin, so according to you, which gate do you deserve to go in? So अगर मैं आसान भाषा में बोलूँ तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं झूठ बोलना पाप है, तो आपके हिसाब से आप इन दोनों में से कौन से दरवाजे के अंदर जाना डिजर्व करते हैं? तो हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू वर्क? लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. सपोज ये जो गेट है दिस लीड्स टू हेवन, ठीक है, हेवन ये वाला, एंड दिस लीड्स टू हेल. आई एम जस्ट एज्यूमिंग फर्स्ट, ये बॉम्ब बना दिया हेल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट लेट अस अज्यूम दैट ही इज द गुड गाय. ठीक है, ये हमेशा सच बताएगा मेरे को, मैं जो भी इससे पूछूंगा. वी आर जस्ट एज्यूमिंग फर्स्ट, ओके, कि इसका आंसर इस सिचुएशन में क्या होगा. So let's ask our question to him. So according to you, you know that lying is a sin. So according to you, which gate do you deserve to go in? So this guy knows कि हमेशा सच बोलता है and he deserves heaven. So his answer will be this gate. Okay. So in first case we got this gate as our answer. So let's assume now he is the bad guy. ठीक है, assume करते हैं कि जो फर्स्ट गाय था दैट इज द बैड गाय. जस्ट अ सेकंड. ओके, ही इज द बैड गाय. ठीक है, मतलब ये हमेशा झूठ बोलेगा. ही हैज गॉट these also. He's a bad guy. So if I ask him, so according to you, which gate do you deserve to go in? Now this guy also knows that he is a bad guy and he always tells lies and lies, so he deserves hell practically. But क्योंकि ये हमेशा झूठ बोलता है, so he will also tell me this gate that he deserves heaven. So you can see that this was the trick. We can ask any person this question and he will always give me the path to heaven. तो यही ट्रिक थी कि नो वंडर आप किस बंदे से पूछो अच्छे या बुरे से, that guy will always tell you the answer to heaven, and in this way we can go to heaven all cases. So this is the answer. Also I agree that there can be multiple answer to any riddle. So if you know any other answer, you can let me know in the comment box, and I will see you in the next video.